Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set mouse corner actions to launch a shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Then go down and tap on auto action after pointer stops. Then tap on corner actions. Make sure you turn on corner actions before you can set any shortcuts. Now in here you can set a shortcut to the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. So let's say if we're going to set it to top left, in here you can go down the list and choose which shortcut you want to assign. So you can assign multiple shortcuts, and here I will assign it to take a screenshot. And now if I move my mouse to the top corner, you can see it will take a shortcut. Now if I turn this one on, it will take a screenshot and it will open and close quick panel. So you can see here it will come up with an option for me to choose. I can choose to take a screenshot, or I can choose to open the panel. And that is how you can assign. So I'm just going to turn off this auto click, because when I stop the mouse it will automatically click. So here in corner actions, we can see if I choose top right, I can ask it to say move the volume up, or I can ask it to move the volume down, media volume down. So if I do this, I can choose media volume up. So I accidentally click on the reset button, so I turn it on again. So this one here will top right will allow me to move the volume up, and I can set bottom left to move the volume down. So if I move the mouse to the bottom here, that will allow me to change the media volume down. At the moment it's not showing media volume down, so I'm not sure why it's not doing that, but it is actually moving the volume up. It can allow me to move the volume up, but not the volume down. So maybe if I try something else, I turn the one off, maybe I can change ringtone volume down, see if that works. So I will double check to see if I turn it on or not. So I have turned it on, top left, top right, bottom. So actually this is the bottom left, not bottom right. I will change it to bottom right. I just got mixed up. Okay, so we go to bottom right and we will choose media down. And in here, now you can see if I choose to bottom right, it will move the media down and move really. And then if I go to the top, it will move the media volume up. And that's it. So that is how you can set your corner actions, set your mouse corner actions to quickly launch a shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. And that's it. You can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.